Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue our same exercise 1F, and two questions are remaining, 24 and 25. So I'll explain you both these questions, and tomorrow students will start representing irrational numbers on number line. I hope all of you remember when we have started our work. In the very starting, I have taught you how to represent root 2 and root 3 on number line, correct? I hope you all might have done that work in your notebook. So same thing, same procedure, same topic I'll continue, because we have missed out 1D in between. So tomorrow I'll start with 1D, then continue the next exercise, correct? So let us start. Only 24 and 25 two questions are left. So the question is being given to you: x is equals to 1 upon 2 minus under root 3, and you have to find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So let us start. X cube, correct? So for that, first of all, rationalize x. 2 minus under root 3 multiply by its rationalizing factor, 2 plus under root 3 plus 2 plus under root 3. So it will be 2 plus under root 3 upon a square minus b square, correct? I hope all of you know how to do. 2 plus under root 3, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3. So this will be 2 plus under root 3 upon 1. So x will be 2 plus under root 3. This step is clear. Now let me make you revise the formulas. A plus b का whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b, correct? A plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a plus b and a minus b already we have applied here. This will be a square minus b square. Now coming forward to the next, we have to calculate the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. I hope it is clear. Now x cube, what is x here? X is 2 plus root 3 का cube. What is square? Same thing, x 2 plus root 3 का square plus minus 7x, x is 2 plus root 3 and plus 5. Clear till here? Now a plus b का whole cube will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, means 3 into 2 into root 3, a plus b, 2 plus root 3, correct? Now minus, see minus is there, so let us write everything in the bracket. A plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 2 into root 3. Clear till here? This is this bracket I have closed, correct? Now minus 7, so minus 7, 7 2s are 40, minus 7 under root 3. All the signs will change because here is minus over there. Minus 7 root 3 plus 5. Now let's solve the brackets. 2 cube will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube, under root 3 cube, under root 3 will be 3 under root 3. Under root 3 cube, see here. What does under root 3 means? Under root 3 cube means under root 3 is being multiplied 3 times, correct? And I told you if power of surds are same, then you can multiply those digits. So this will be under root 3 into under root 3 will be 3, and this under root 3 will left alone. So under root 3 का whole cube will be equals to 3 under root 3, correct? This I have written over here, plus 3 2s are 6, 6 under root 3 and 2 plus under root 3 minus. Now let us start the inside one. So this is 2 and 2 2s are 4, under root 3 का square will be 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 root 3, correct? I hope it is clear. Minus 14 and plus 5, you can solve it. Minus 9 minus 7 root 3. Coming to the next step, 8 plus 3 root 3 plus 6 2s are 12 root 3 plus 6 into 3, root 3 into root 3 will be 3, so 6 3s are 18. This we have solved till here. This is this one. Now minus 2, 4 and 3 will be 7, and 7 plus 4 root 3, this will be 7 plus 4 root 3, and this is minus 9 and minus 7 root 3 over here. So let's start. 18 and 8 will be 26, 12 root 3, 13 root 3 will be 15 root 3 minus. So let's start the second one. This one is minus 2 and multiply by 7, minus 14 and minus 8 root 3 and minus 9 and minus 7 root 3 will remain as it is. So we can only subtract and add all the like terms. So it is 15 root 3 minus 8 minus 7. Now see, minus 7 and minus 8 will be minus 15 and plus 15 is over here. So these will get cancelled. Correct? Now see, you are left with 26 minus 14 and minus 9. 26 minus minus will be plus, and 14 minus 14 and minus 9. 14 plus 9 will be 23. So 26 minus 23 will be 3. So your answer will be 3. I hope all of you understood. Students, again I am telling you that please, whatever the questions I am doing, I am explaining you in the videos. You just solve the questions and try to do the solutions yourself so that you can understand it in better way. As today we are going to complete this one exercise. Now the last question of this exercise is evaluate 15 upon under root 10 plus under root 20 plus under root 40 minus 5 minus under root 80, and root 5 is being given to you 2.236 and root 10 is given to you 3.162. Correct? So let us start. So 15 will remain as it is. Now under root 10. Under root 10 the factors are 2 and 5. So no need to write because nothing is common. So just write under root 10 plus 20. How we get 20? 2 into 5, 10 and 10 2s are 20. Correct? 40. 8 5s are 40. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. Minus under root 5 and minus 80. How to write 80? 10 8s are 80 and 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 8 2s are 16 and 16 5s are 80. I have written all the factors. Now just take out all the common factors outside and make it a perfect one number. So 15 will remain as it is under root 10. 2 and 2 are common, so you will get here 2 under root 5 plus here 2 will come 2 under root 10 minus under root 5, and here you will get 2 common, so minus 4 under root 5. Now as I told you, only the like terms can be solved, added and subtracted. So 15 will remain as it is. Under root 10 plus 2 under root 10, this will be 3 under root 10, and plus 2 root 5 minus root 5, that will be root 5 plus ka, and minus 4 root 5 plus root 5 minus 4 root 5 will be minus 3 root 5. The sign will come of minus because minus 4 is greater than plus 1. Correct? Now see the next step, 15. Now here what you will get, see 3 you can take common from here. Correct? I have taken 3 common. So root 10 minus root 5. So 3 5s are 15. You get here 5 upon under root 10 minus under root 5. Now 5 upon under root 10 minus under root 5, you have to rationalize this denominator in order to get its value, and its rationalizing factor will be equals to under root 10 plus under root 5. Now under root 10 plus under root 5, under root 10 plus under root 5, we multiply with both numerator and denominator. So this will be 5 under root 10 plus under root 5, and a plus b, a minus will be a square minus b square. So 10 square minus 5 square. See students, in 8th class I have taught you this thing. No need to multiply, even you can just leave that number as it is, as I told you, so it can be cancelled further in that same question. Same we have done here. 5 we will keep outside the bracket. Under root 10 plus under root 5 upon under root 10 square will be 10, under root 5 square will be 5. So 10 minus 5. So here you will get 5. See, as I told you, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. You will get here under root 10 plus under root 5. And under root 10 value is this one, 3.162. 3.162. Under root 5 value is 2.236. 2.236. Add them. 6 and 2 8. 6 and 3 9. 2 and 1 3 and 3 and 2 5. So your final answer will be 5.392. See students, these were the 2 questions that were left in this exercise, and I have done these 2 questions today. So I want all of you to please complete this work in your notebook. Just copy the questions and try to do the solutions yourself. At least 2 times you should try, so that you could become more perfect in this. And remember, practice makes man perfect, and in maths you will be, as much as practice you will do, you will be perfect in maths. Thank you all.